Music Connection, and today we're going to be getting to this area. I've been saving up gems for so long to get to that area, and so let's get to that area now. I'm sure we're going to be able to get to that area in this video because, look how much coins I have, and look how much it's going up every time I swing this. Yeah, so it's a lot. Oh yeah, it's a lot. So guys, we're finally going to the next area. Oh my gosh. I still have 98 million. Oh my god. So I really need to upgrade my... Oh, okay. I can upgrade it now. Oh yeah, this is better too. So guys, I've been saving up my gems for this, and I heard that they have really, really good pets here. Yeah, I've heard. I've heard. Neptune? Whoa! Is that better than mine? Yes, it is. Neptune must be good. Okay guys, let's try out our new Neptune. Okay. That is amazing. So guys, we're no longer in Candyland. Oh, that's a lot. 900 million is not that much. That's just kidding, that's kind of a lot. But at least we have this new sword. Yeah. It's much faster at destroying things. I mean bombs. Oh, pirate hat. Amazing. Okay, I'm equipping this. What? Oh, that looks so cool. Oh, that looks so cool. Okay, whatever. So let's just do this. What is he using? Yeah, we're going to try to get over there, which is going to take a long time. Yes, so we're not going over there anytime soon. Yeah. But it's okay. Wait, I just got the juice. Oh, I'm cooking all this. Oh. Okay, that's it. Last castle. I teleport into a wall. Folk of the Sea is so good. Boom, boom, boom. And then this. And then this. Oh my gosh. It's so good. Okay. Now guys, we are literally overpowered. In this game, we are literally overpowered. So, yeah. Let's just not worry about coins. Because, I might as well make a shiny soon. A pufferfish. A pufferfish. How do you... Yeah, okay. We're just gonna be hatching this. Yeah. Another pufferfish. Pufferfish. Another pufferfish. And another Neptune. Let's see if we can make it shiny now. How do you make it shiny? Whatever, I do not know. Okay. So whatever, I do not know how to make a shiny yet. Ooh. What? No, I'm getting that. I am getting that. Wait, I didn't get any coins. Whatever. Oh wait, let me see my inventory. How can it be on this level? Okay, let's see how fast I can break these things down. Okay. Yes, so let's just go to the Frost Castle and craft that. Let's go to ancient temples. And I can finally get the last one. Yeah, okay. Boom. We are finally overpowered. Well, more than overpowered. We are like way overpowered. Another exotic. What level is this? Okay, I'll have the flick of the sea on my head. Okay, well, this looks disgusting. On my head, okay. Whatever. Hey, I want to show off with these guys. Boom. I even need a candy axe. Boom. Boom. Okay, let's go back here. This gives me much more coins. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, I'm not really getting a lot of coins. Oh, no, I am. But it's giving me a long time to wait. Actually, it won't be, because this gives you a lot of thousands. If we could just get some coins, we could probably get over there. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe and like and share all notifications so you never miss one of my videos. And guys, we're going to end this with some hatching. Oh, pirate ship. We're going to be trying to get more Neptunes. Legendary dagger. Just got the legendary Naga, whatever that is. Legend. Oh my gosh. We want this Naga. Okay, we need to try this out. Okay. Oh, I forgot to put my auto claim on. Auto claim. I have so much to auto claim. Anyways, let's just keep on hatching. Why am I still pooping out some diamonds? Ultra Pirate. Oh yeah. So we got Ultra Pirate. Yeah. Another pirate ship. Anyway guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe and like and turn notifications so you never miss one of my videos. Bye guys.